Hi everyone, welcome back to another Christmas tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Jingle Bell Rock. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach the melodies and the chords. So this is a much more simpler version. In this videos that I do, I like it to be very easy so that everybody can understand it. And it's also still sounds so good. So let's get started. Please make sure to get a piece of paper and a pen so that you won't forget any notes that we are playing. This song is divided into two parts. So the first part sounds like this. Right hand goes on F, F 3 times, E 3 times, D, E, D, A, D, E, D, A, C, D, E, D, B flat. Let's do that one more time. F 3 times, E 3 times, D, E, D, A, D, E, D, A, C, D, D, B flat. So now left hand will sound like this. F, F7, F6, F major twice, and then G minor. And then C7, C, E, G, B flat. But the much more simpler version to hold this chord will be C, E, B flat. Okay. Those are the chords, and now together, hand together will sound like this. So I'm going to be adding the pattern instead of doing it separately. So your F, the first F you play the chord 2. On the third F you play the full chord. So it'll sound like this. So you kind of like breaking up the chords, bottom top. That's how it is. You're breaking it up like that. So now let's go through that again. F, third F, you play the full chord. That's how it will sound. And then now when you get to the E, you play an F on the first E, and the rest of the chord on the third E. It will sound. Now you're going to go on D and you play F, D, E, and then when you go on the D you play the full chord. So it will sound like this. That's how it sounds. And then once you go into the A, you play an F, F, and then you play the full chord on C. So let's do that again, the whole thing. So that's how it should sound. Now the next part, you're going to be playing that small thing. So now we are going to be going on the G minor. And on your D, you play the G. And then when you press the B flat, you play a C chord. Okay, so both hands together will sound like this. Okay, so you learned the first part. Now the second part will be like this. G, A, B flat, C, D, C, G, A, B flat, C, D, C, D, C, D, A, A. Okay, let's do it again. G, A, B flat, C, D, C, G, A, B flat, C, D, C, D, chords. The left hand will be G minor, C7, G minor, C7, G minor, and then we're going to be playing this little full C, D, E. C, D, E. So you do that fast. Okay, so now both hands together will sound like this. G, once you press G, like that. When you press the A, you play the whole chord. B flat. Then when you hit the C, you play the C7. When you hit D, you play the full chord. And then you repeat it again. Then C, play the full chord. Now once you hit D, you play G minor. Okay, let's do that again. So G, A, B flat, C, then you go again. Sorry. And that leads us to the first part, which goes like this. So that is how you play Jingle Bell Rock. Those two parts you can just play over and over, and it just sounds so lovely. It's such a catchy tune, and everybody, I'm telling you, everybody will enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed this, how to play Jingle Bell Rock. So thank you so much. Please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be posting new Christmas songs so that you can learn and prepare yourself for the festive season. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you. Bye.